हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। तो मैं हूँ रश्मि रागनी, आइए मेरे चैनल में। आज मैं अपने प्रोफेशन से हट के कोई और चीज़ पे डिस्कशन करना चाहती हूँ जो कि आजकल बहुत चल रहा है। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की डेथ के बारे में इतने केसेस डिस्कस हो रहे हैं। जब तक सुशांत वॉज अलाइव, व्हेन ही वॉज अलाइव, even at that point of time, I don't think he was given that much importance, to the extent that he took such a big extreme step. But now people are all talks about Sushant Singh Rajput. Everywhere, in every news channel, in every piece of news, you get a news about Sushant Singh Rajput and what made him do such an extreme step. And we are talking about many stuffs like nepotism and all. So I like to share that nepotism doesn't only exist in Bollywood industry. It exists in every industry from time to time. If we talk about businesses which are made by 2 or 3 generations, so obviously the kids of the owners get prime importance and supreme importance over and above the employees, over and above even those employees who have given their entire lives to the functioning of the company. And at times the kids of the owners even disrespect those senior and experienced employees. So isn't that nepotism? But we are all talking about Sushant Singh Rajput, who is dead, and now we are talking. Can't we even improve ourselves, our attitude towards people who are alive? And not only in Bollywood industry, in every phase of life, in every industry, there are people, there is nepotism prevalent everywhere. So why not, let's be little bit more sympathetic, let's be a little bit more generous towards the people who you treat as outsiders, who are not belonging, who are not having any blood relations with the owners, but still are they giving their best time and devoting best of their time and hard money to your business, to your functioning. Why not give them respect? Why don't give them importance? Why do we treat them like a doormat? Why do we use them like a piece of paper? Why don't we treat employees as our prime human resources the way we should do, and not take nepotism forward? The person who is gone is gone. Now it's the time to take some inspiration from the fact that what is the main thing which leads a person to take such an extreme step that he commits suicide. So this may happen to the other fields as well, this may happen to the students as well, this may happen to the employees as well, this may happen anywhere. So we need to develop some sympathetic some generosity towards mental health issues, towards people who are sincere, towards people who don't speak, towards people who give their best but don't expect. They also deserve respect. So my today's video is about this only. I humbly request you, to all the employers, to have some kind of generosity, if not monetary wise, but towards your attitude wise, so that such a big step is not even thought of in the mind of any employee or any person. Thank you very much.